Hello everybody there on YouTube. This is Marx Engineer again with another project. As you can see, this is the engine that I was talking about converting into a camelback engine, or at least briefly mentioned in one of my videos. As you can clearly see, this is the engine itself, in pretty good nick, works and everything. So what I'm going to try and do is take the cab, cut it off, move it here, and add an extra bit of plating over here for the firebox, and then extend the cab using, I don't know, like aluminum sheets or whatever, and super gluing most of it together. That's all I really have at the moment. So yeah, get back to you in a minute when I've actually got the thing cut off. So yeah. Alrighty, so here we go. I've got the cab now removed. I need to just Dremel part of it out, so that way it'll be able to fit nice and snug right over this part of the boiler, and I'll make the rest of the firebox portion here with the small angled cab. And yeah, should look something to that effect right there. That's what the cab looks like. Here's the rest of the engine. As it looks, there's the big back plate. Little bit of scraping going on there, but nothing too major, as well as right there and right there. Very minor, but the engine still works and everything else, so that's good. And yeah, who knows, maybe I might even put it on like that. Look at that, look at how weird that looks. Looks like one of those fireless engines or whatever. Alrighty, check back to you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, so this is the next part of it. As you can see, here's the current progress that I've made regarding the cab. It now almost sits perfectly flush, like that. Just, I believe, half an inch above. I could be wrong, but I've also drilled a hole in the little pinner there, so that way I could fit a rod that goes all the way back here, so that way I can manually push it there. So that way I won't have to drill a massive hole up here and extend it and flip it like that. And that's what I've got so far. Alrighty, I'm now back in my layout area, and of course I've got the engine almost fully complete. The firebox just needs to be repainted along with the back of the cab, and I also need to install this piece. If you don't know what this is actually going into the little push pin that's moving back and forth. I drilled a hole through it. This is going to pin onto it like that, and I'll be able to push and pull it to get the engine to either stay in place once it's wound, or I can pull it back and then set the engine off to move around. And of course the key is still compatible with it, and yeah, it'll look a lot better in just a little bit. So yeah, I thought you all would like to see it for now.